Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create categorical plots which you can generate statistical summaries using seaborn and matplotlib libraries. So let's get started. First, I imported pandas, seaborn and matplotlib libraries to the working environment. I will use pandas to import the dataset as a data frame. The seaborn and matplotlib libraries are Python data visualization libraries that provides high-level interface for creating graphics. Next, as you can see, I imported the dataset into the working environment. I will be using Fruit Price 2020 dataset, which I found from Economic Research Service website, in short ERS. It is a research report dataset about fruit average prices in USA in the year of 2020. As you can see, the dataset contains different measurement units and their respective prices, but I will be using only the first 4 columns of the dataset. So here I have selected my columns and make some changes on the column names. Now I can run the head function to see the first 5 rows of the data frame to verify if the change of the column names take effect. Now it is time to create a graph. My first plot will be stripplot. You can use stripplot if you want to explore how the distribution of a single continuous variable is affected by a second categorical variable. So let's create it. To create a stripplot, first you need to call seaborn library. In this case, the alias name for seaborn that I have given SNS, followed by the plot function, in this case stripplot. Now you need to set some parameters. The first parameter is data. My x-axis will be fruit type and my y-axis will be retail price. As you can see, the stripe plot shows the distribution of retail prices by fruit type. Right now, we can't see the x-axis label list because my x variable contains large list and long string values. So I'm gonna change the position of the label to 90° using tick params function and set the label rotation parameter to 90°. So to do that, first I'm going to assign a variable to my stripplot function. Now I'm going to use this variable to set the tick params function. Axis will be my x-axis. Then I have to specify the parameter, in this case label rotation, to 90°. As you can see, the x-axis label is now adjusted. However, because of the figure size is small, we can't see the line graph for the retail price. So I will edit the figure size using fig size parameter so that the distribution of the retail price will be visible. Now, if I group the data observations by fruit category using who parameter, as you can see, the who argument provides additional dimension to the plot by coloring the points. Now I can add some styles using matplotlib libraries. To remove this metadata, you can use the show function. Now, as you can see, the stripe plot shows how the distribution of retail prices affected by each fruit type. The distinct type of fruits are spaced out along the x-axis, and it shows the distribution of each fruit as individual data points. Thank you for watching.